Okay, good afternoon, class. Hope everybody's having a great break. I am here to give you another tip to use Adobe Premiere, on how to use Adobe Premiere. Um, these are just going to be some quick tip videos that will help you, you know, edit some videos really quickly. And I know that one of the issues that we've been having is matching our footage with the sequence. And a lot of times what we have done is we've gone into um, our file, new, sequence, and then this box comes up, and you're trying to pick the one that fits your source footage, but that's not always easy. Sometimes you think that you um, shot in 1080p, but maybe it was 720. You may think that you shot in 30 frames per second, but you really did in 24 frames per second. So there's a whole lot of options here, and it can become pretty confusing, to be honest. So one thing that I found that you can do once you have imported your source footage, so you see here I've already imported some source footage here, um, and if I click down here you could see a little thumbnail of that footage. So this is just some drone footage of a giant bonfire in Alaska. So as of right now, I don't really know what this is shot in unless I click over here on the list view, and I see here that it's in 23.976 frames per second, and if I hover over the clip, it'll give me 1920 by 1080p. So I can go back, start the new sequence that way, or I can use this new feature in Adobe Premiere, which is footage to new sequence. So all I have to do is click on the clip, drag it over to this little page that has a corner turned. Okay, so I'll just sort of highlight this right here. Now, if you were to click on this generally, you have a bunch of different options, sequence, title, bars, tone, black video, captions, a bunch of different things. But if you drag the footage there and let it go, it will automatically add a sequence. And now that sequence is right here. It matches um, stereo sound, and by default it names the sequence right here the name of the clip that you use to drag it in. I could just click on that once and rename it by clicking it, pushing enter, and now it's the new sequence is here. The name is up here, drone footage, and that's it. And now I've matched a sequence, and it's pretty easy. All right, so that's just one easy way to do it. Hope you enjoyed the video.